Now, if we see another quadrilateral, that is ABCD, in this particular quadrilateral, none of the interior angle is greater than 180 डिग्री। इसका मतलब ये है कि हर एक इंटीरियर एंगल 180 डिग्री से छोटा है ना, 180 डिग्री से छोटा है। कैन बी ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but it must not be greater than 180 degree, which is known as a straight angle, right? So 180 degree से बड़ा अगर है, if any of the interior angle, that quadrilateral is called as a concave quadrilateral. लेकिन the other quadrilateral which does not have any angle greater than 180 degree is said to be a convex quadrilateral. Right? This is a convex quadrilateral. You can say that it is the common quadrilateral that you have seen regularly. Right? Now, dear friends, we are going to discuss about our next part, and that is a regular polygon. Okay? What's a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal to each other. What's that? For example, take one example of equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 line segments, and in this line segments, all 3 line segments are equal to each other. That means their lengths are equal. ठीक है, मतलब उनका लेंथ इक्वल है, इतना ही काफी नहीं है. Apart from that, all 3 angles of that triangle are also equal. So we call it a regular polygon. यानी equilateral triangle is also a regular polygon. Take one more example from polygon. This is a square. A square has 4 line segments, and this marking, this marking says that these 4 line segments are equal to each other. That means their lengths are equal, right? As not only this, apart from that, the 4 angles of this square are also equal. That's why it makes the square such a figure जिसके चारों साइड्स इक्वल है, as well as उनके चारों एंगल्स भी एक दूसरे के साथ इक्वल है, and that is why a square becomes a regular polygon. ठीक है, थोड़ा हम अपने मन में थोड़ा सा एक फिगर आउट करते हैं एक रेक्टेंगल को, राइट? टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. इफ यू इमेजिन अ रेक्टेंगल इन योर माइंड, you will certainly notice that a rectangle may have all 4 equal angles. I repeat, a rectangle may have all 4 equal angles. But in this particular rectangle, all sides are not equal, rather only opposite sides are equal. So ask yourself, can you call it a regular polygon? Yes, I am right. And you are also. It's not a regular polygon, right? So regular polygon means the figure must have equal sides and the figure must have equal angles, right? Okay. Now let us move on to the next part, that is angles are property of a quadrilateral. You can say quadrilaterals, right? What is angle sum property? As I told you, every quadrilateral has 4 interior angles. In this particular quadrilateral, which is named as PQRS here, PQRS, it's a quadrilateral, right? In this particular quadrilateral, we have 4 interior angles: angle P, angle Q, angle R, and as well as angle S. If you add all these interior angle, their sum will be 360 degree. How much? 360 degree, right? So it says that the sum of all 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से क्लियरली बताना चाहूंगा कि even if the figure is not a regular polygon, right? इसके साथ correlate मत कीजिएगा. Even if the figure is not a regular polygon, the sum of all angles of the quadrilateral will be 360 degree. इसका मतलब ये है कि स्क्वायर के भी चारों एंगल्स मिलकर 360 डिग्री and all four angles of the rectangle will also sum up to 360 degree. I hope you understood. Good. इसके साथ साथ let us discuss about the formula that will help us to find out the sum of all angles of any kind of polygon. Yes, you are correct. Any kind of polygon. Any kind of polygon in the sense polygon किसी भी तरह का हो सकता है. वो ट्रायंगल भी हो सकता है, स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, रेक्टेंगल भी हो सकता है, दैट मीन्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी हो सकता है, पेंटागन भी हो सकता है और ऑक्टागन या डेकागन भी हो सकता है. तो इज देयर एनी फॉर्मूला दैट कैन हेल्प अस टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉलीगॉन? आंसर इज यस है. व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? द फॉर्मूला इज n minus 2 into 180 degree will give you sum of all interior angles of a polygon, right? That means, I repeat, the formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. What is that? Let us understand. N stands for number of sides. I repeat, n stands for number of sides present in that particular polygon जिसके बारे में आप सोच रहे हो या जिसके sum of all interior angles आप find out करना चाहते हो, right? 2 is a constant, right? And 180 degree, that is again we have taken it as a constant. ठीक है. जैसे let us take one example of triangle. How many sides a triangle has? Yes, ask yourself. The answer is 3. ठीक है. एक triangle के 3 sides होते हैं, right? If you subtract 2 out of it, so it is 3 minus 2, 1, correct? And multiply the answer with 180 degree. 1 into 180 degree, 180 degree. That means the sum of all 3 angles of a triangle will give you 180 degree. Does not matter triangle के types क्या है. Does not matter whether it is equilateral, whether it is isosceles or scale. Doesn't matter. But sum of all 3 angles will become 180 degree. Right? Now let's take one more example of a square. Right? In case of a square, what is the value of n? N becomes 4 because there are 4 sides, right? There are 4 sides. So these 4 sides minus 2 as per formula. 4 minus 2, how much? Yes, correct. That is 2. Now multiply the result with 180 degree. 2 into 180 degree will become 360 degree. So it says that the sum of all 4 angles of a square will give you 360 degree. Is that clear? That's great.